Wistaw Kramski loves playing golf so much that the engineer produces his own golf clubs. Among the models that his company makes are luxury putters that cost €550 and upwards.
In
the last few years, some high-profile CEOs have become our customers and use Kramski putters. So that gets our name around.
This sideline is a good advertisement for Kramski's core business, making high-precision metal and plastic components, mainly for the automobile industry. Production takes place at a breathtaking pace.
Here we're measuring every single component, and there are 600 components produced a minute. That's pretty incredible. We've installed cameras that measure various dimensions, such as from here to a tolerance of 20 microns. That's 20 thousandths of a millimeter.
The result? Millions of contact plugs for car electronics.
Okay, super.
Kramski, a toolmaker by trade, is always developing new machines and products. The innovation is born out of necessity. His company, which turned over €40 million last year, is currently feeling the effects of the global financial crisis.
Overall, I'd say we've had about a 25 to 30% drop in business across the whole spectrum.
Can you make up for that at all with new innovations or partnerships with other firms?
At the moment, it's each man for himself. Everyone in the industry is suffering from the same problems. But we've been able to acquire some new products from other sectors.
At a meeting in the headquarters in Pforzheim, Kramski is showing his executives what has come out of his latest trip to his factories in India and Sri Lanka. The Sri Lankan team has come up with an attractive business idea.
This shampoo cap means that we have finally got a product that is not for the automobile industry. We've taken the business away from a Chinese competitor. Of course, we hope that we will also be chosen to mass produce the component because millions of these pieces will be needed.
Kramski himself has devised a new kind of conductor circuit for electronic switches for his main customers, suppliers to the auto industry.
It's mainly the 3D form. The alteration of the 3D form at the front is particularly important. I'll show it to you quickly on the computer.
Kramski is reacting to an upcoming law that will soon ban poisonous lead solders. Mr. Kramski, what's special about what you're developing here?
This contact is meant to hold for years without being soldered. And it must withstand temperatures of minus 40 degrees Celsius and plus 125 degrees.
Kramski is forever coming up with new ways of improving his products. This is a design for a new golf putter. He likes to discuss the fine details with his employees. Kramski now produces 12 different golf clubs. They are milled out of solid steel blocks. The process lasts for several hours. Then each one of them is adapted to suit the individual customer. Kramski gives the club the once-over on the fairway with German golfing champion Denise Simon. His perfectionism is as visible here as it is in his other lines of business. His putters are every bit as high-tech as the other products that he has developed over the last 30 years. This dyed-in-the-wool engineer perseveres until things are spot on.
Super. War toll.